everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to show you a few embellishments that I made with this paper pad. My last project video you saw that I made some flowers using this paper pad from Michaels. It's called Sugarplums Recollections, and my goal was to actually use this whole pad, at least try to use this whole pad. So I'm getting down and I'm having a lot of fun trying to think of things to make with this paper pad. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you the few things that I made with this. So I made some, first let me just show you what I used. So for this next project, I used these two old school paper punches, a circle and a heart. And then I also used some of this gold thread that I got from Joann's. And you guys, look at how old this is. I don't think do they even have this brand? Marvi Uchida. I don't even know what brand this is, but these are very old school stamps. I mean, what do you call it? Paper punches that I've had in my stash. So I'm glad I didn't have to buy any more and I had this size, because this was the particular size that I was looking for. Now this project you can make as big as you want, but I wanted to make little tiny embellishments with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I made teeny tiny rosettes. So what I did was, and if you guys want, actually I will put the link, not the link, but the dimensions down below on the size of the paper and where to score, just in case you guys want to make these. And these are really tiny. So as you can see, I made the little rosette and then I punched some gold glitter paper with this heart, and I just added on top and then put some of this gold thread from Joann's just underneath the heart, and then on the back side is where I used the circle punch. So I just made a few of these and I'll just show you real quick what they look like. And this is again using the Recollections Sugar Plum paper from Michaels, and it is a hot buy paper pad. So I know a few of you commented on my last video saying that your Michaels don't have it anymore, but I'm guessing they probably will end up having it and then putting it on sale again. And then you guys, because I remember when I got this paper pad, it was like literally $4 or something, because it was like a lowest price of the season type of deal. So these are all the teeny tiny little paper rosettes that I made, and I use this using my scraps, you guys. I forgot to mention that I use all of these with my scraps because I'm not playing around when I said I'm going to use this whole paper pad. So here are their little tiny rosettes, super cute. Look how tiny they are, and as you can see, the little string. So that is the tiny rosettes. And then also my next project, I use my button machine, or I guess it's called a flare button machine. And then I also use these dies. Well, I think I use like 3 or 4 of these, the different sizes of these dies from AliExpress. And if I can find the link for this, then I'll link it down below. As always, I'll have all the information down below if I can find it. So I use this, and then I also use these containers. I found this in the travel section at Dollar Tree. You know, in their, I guess, where the lotions and things are, they have like these boxes, and inside the boxes there's like different various travel, like shampoo, deodorant, and things like that. So travel necessities. So I picked that up, and look at how cute, you guys. So what I did basically was make a mixture of different sequins that I have. I'll just, oops, look at how pretty. Love it. So I just use a mixture of different sequins and little shaker elements and little tiny, what do you call these? Little pom-pom things. So I threw that in there. But I made this really pretty shakers mix, and all I did was And I love that they have ones that have a different color cap if you want a different color cap. But I chose the white, so and it's clear. I love that you can see through it. And then I just die cut out the paper with these metal dies, and I just layered them. And then I used my flare button maker, and I just punched out using the paper pad, and then made a flare button. So I made this one, and then I also made this one, and the sequin mix is still the same inside, so it's nothing different. So it's just the top. Try to get it so you don't see the glare. So as you can see, it's the house with the wreath and then the trees. So I did that one, and then I did one more, same sequins inside, and you can see how I use the pop dots to layer it to make it more dimensional. So that's that one. So I did that, and then I also made, let me just get these right here. Did the same thing, layered the cut the pieces with this die, and I just layered it, put it on pop dots, and then put the flare on top using the same paper pad. There's that one. Oops. And then I made that one. So those are the cute embellishments that I made. And then I also made ones like this. Super cute. I also used glitter paper as well to mix in with the paper pad. And then I also made blank ones just in case, because these were leftovers. So I made those. And then last but not least, I made these. Same exact thing, except I punched a hole at the bottom, use a jump ring, and then cut out pieces of the paper that have the greetings on it, and just have it so that it's dangling, so I can use as some kind of embellishment for a project. So take that one. Here's another one. Here is another one. Look how cute that gingerbread is. Super cute. And the last one I made is this one. This one just says, "Oh, so jolly." So yeah, that is my, oh wait, how could I forget? One more thing I made. And this is Tasha, gosh, I think it's Tasha's Corner, Tasha's Crafty Corner. I'll put the link down below, but she did a video on how to make these like paper caddy bags. So I made them too. Let me just zoom out. So I made these with the paper pad as well, and I loved how it came out. The only difference is the placement of my handles. That's the only difference from what she did in her video. I just put the placement of the handles inside, and I did it at the crease of the bag. So I made this one, and I'm not going to embellish it until I have everything in it before I see what's missing. So I just made a plain one for right now. Just move this over. I made that one, and then I made this one using the same paper pad again. Oops. My desk, you guys, is so small here. I hardly have any room. You just move stuff around. Sorry. And then the last one I made was by mistake, because as I was trying to fold this together, I guess it was a little bit wonky. So it ended up being this, looking like this. It's not round. So basically it's the same dimensions. It's the same how to. All I did was I just shaped it in this shape here. As you can see, it has the creases on all fours. So you're supposed to actually like scrunch it together like so to make this shape here, but I ended up just making it look like this. And it still looks cute, looks like a caddy. So I can't wait to put goodies in here, and then after I put the goodies in here, then I can figure out where I want to place embellishments and dress it up, because, you know, if I put things in here, it's gonna like cover the background here. So, you know, I figure that I don't need to do anything in the back if I'm gonna have things in here. So yeah, that is some of the projects I've been working on using this paper pad. So I will link everything down below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.